Hello, I'm here at Heritage Hills Nature Park here, just south of Fargo, North Dakota. We're gonna be doing some hiking, so why don't you come along with me? Right, here we go. The birds are talking today. Wow, they're loud. Got ourselves a gravel path here. It's hot today, so I'm hoping we hit the trees pretty soon because she is warm. Oh, right up here looks like. This used to be a residential neighborhood, but due to the flooding that occurred here all the time, the park district bought it out and now it's a nature park. So there'll be some asphalt trails, there'll be some gravel trails looks like, but it should be a nice, fun little hike today. All right, down here, the Wild Rice River meets the Red, and I'm not sure whether that's the Red or the Wild Rice, but we do have people fishing out there. This is a big fishing area, I guess. Oh, I'm hearing thunder. I might get rained on. Let's hope not. It would cool things down a bit, though. A little bench here to sit down and chillax. Okay, it looks like we're skirting the trees for the most part for now. I'll catch up to you in a few. All right, I think where all these open grassland places, I think that's where houses were. Don't quote me on that, but it's possible. We got wildflowers out here, nice views of the river. So far, I'm pretty happy with our hike. Very pretty. Oh, looks like we got the trees coming up. I'm excited about that. It's a pretty one. These paths are really well maintained. They're very nice. Cattails? Must be wet in there. Very prairie. Oh, butterfly. All these cattails give it a nice diversity of color out here. Pretty little daisies. Pretty. All right, now we're heading down the asphalt path. This is where the old roads and driveways and stuff should be able to be seen. So nature's taking over a little bit. You can see it in the cracks. It's crazy how that happens. All right, guys, anyone who's gotten this far, is that a blue spruce? I mean, I can see where they got their names if that's what they look like, but I think that's my first time ever seeing one. Let me know. Here's a really pretty patch of wildflowers. Wow, we got a little bit of everything in here. Prairie grasses, purple and yellow, really pretty. All right, moving on. Looks like we're coming into a bit of a cul-de-sac here. We turn ourselves around. Oh, it looks like I am going to be coming out right at the right time. It looks like it's going to rain over there. Oofty. So I think I'm going to do my closing now and just hoof it back because that is rain over there. So that was a walkthrough of Heritage Hills Nature Park here just south of Fargo on University Drive. A lot of birds, a lot of wildflowers, really pretty. Why don't you come on, check it out. Thanks for coming along with me.